end of this week. The holidays are upon us. You know, a lot of people like to get together and celebrate, do their thing. Just be careful. Don't drink and drive too much. You know, have a designated driver to get you to your destination safe, very safe. So, you know, keep that in mind. A lot of family and friends getting together. And when family and friends get together, that's one of the best time to have a conversation about life insurance. As I said before in the past on this show, good time when family members get together, because you know the family members with you now may not be with you next year this time for the holidays, and we want to make sure that papers are in order. My name is Donald Marquez. This is Your Insurance Connection, and on Your Insurance Connection, we talk about insurance. If this is your first time listening, listen, tune in. Don't change that dial. Keep it locked right here on Power 88, because upcoming after me. On 10 o'clock, from 10 to 11 o'clock, it's Like It Is Radio with Cheryl and Franklin, and they're going to tell it like it is. That's what they name the show, Tell It Like It Is Radio. So they keep the public informed on social events and what's going on in the political community as well. So keep it locked right here at Power 88. Car insurance. Let's talk about a little bit about car insurance. If you have a car accident, and all of a sudden your car insurance goes up. And I know you hear a lot about accident forgiveness. Okay. The accident forgiveness is an endorsement on your auto insurance policy. Okay. So when you have an accident, now there is a accident forgiveness on some policies. Not all auto insurance policies will forgive you if, in fact, the property damage is less than $1,000 damaged. Property damage means you hit item, your car got hit, and it's less than $1,000 worth of damage. Some auto insurance carriers may forgive you for that. Property damage only. However, if you have property damage and also bodily injury because you were at an at-fault accident and you caused bodily injury, in other words, someone was injured in a car accident, then you may not be forgiven. Because if you do have the opportunity to endorse your auto insurance policy with accident forgiveness, you're going to pay, first of all, you're going to pay more for the policy because it's not a free endorsement. An endorsement, so you have your auto insurance policy and you call your insurance carrier up and say, I want to add accident forgiveness. That's an additional fee on top of what you're already paying monthly or however you pay your auto insurance. But that is an addition. So you have to do the math and see if it's worth it for the forgiveness. They may forgive you, but some companies, if you have 2 claims in 1 year, they'll non-renew your policy. I'm starting to see that frequency quite often. So if you have 2 claims in 1 year, let's say you have an auto claim and a homeowner's claim, and regardless how long you've been with these companies, with or without accident forgiveness, they may just say, you know what? We forgave you, but we're going to non-renew you. They do have the option to do that. Now, if that's happening to you, call us at 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. My name is Donald Marquez, and this is Your Insurance Connection. I'm a licensed insurance agent for the last 22 years right here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Born and raised in Vegas. I love what I do. I love my city. I love meeting people like yourselves. My office number again, 702-236-2624. My location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor. I work by appointment. Veronica's standing by to take your name and your number. She's going to get your name and your number. We're going to call you after the show, set you up with an appointment, sit down with you, give you a full auto insurance review, or if you rather get your quote over the phone, we could do the shopping for you. This is the benefit. I'm an insurance broker. I can do the shopping for you. And listen, do not go online and try to get a quote online because you're going to get several phone calls. You're going to get so many phone calls from now to Christmas and probably the first of the year. So, you know what? I went online and looked for health insurance. I say this because it happened to me. So I'm online looking for some health insurance, and I shouldn't have never put my phone number online. And that was a month ago, and I'm still receiving phone calls. A month ago. People still calling. from all over the place. I mean, you just like, I don't know. I guess they're buying these old leads or something, but they're calling me, and it was over a month ago. So don't go online try to shop for auto insurance, because when you put your phone number down on that website, you're gonna get calls from everybody, and that's not always a good thing. It's very uncomfortable getting several calls during a period of a day or at night. They don't care. They'll call all the time. But call us. We'll do the shopping for you. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. Again, right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in a beautiful U.S. Bank building. Licensed insurance agent for the last 22 years, and I love it. And, I'll probably do this for another 10 years and retire maybe. I love what I do. I really do. When you have fun doing what you're doing and you're helping people and you're telling people about their insurance, and to a point where they've never been explained insurance before. In other words, I go line by line. Don't ever think you're good. Don't ever think you have full coverage. Don't ever think, I'm good, I don't have to do any of that. You're sadly mistaken, because insurance has a lot of moving parts. Now, if you've seen your auto insurance increase this year, call us at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Again, 702-236-2624. Veronica's standing by right now to take your name and your phone number, and we will call you right after the show. I want to say congratulations to all the elected officials in Las Vegas, Nevada, Southern Nevada. We did it. We had a blue wave here in Southern Nevada, my hometown, Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm so proud of us. We put some brothers and sisters back in office, and I am very proud of our party that I represent. It's a blue wave, and I'm happy to say that. Get things straightened out. Washington, D.C. Somebody, see, back in the day, just take somebody out to the shed and straighten them out. But now we have to do it the political way. However, congratulations to all the elected officials, and continued success. That being said, we're going to go right to our Facebook friends and see what's going on with our Hi, Frank. How are you doing this morning? Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to Frank White is my production manager over here. He takes care of all the videos, the Facebook, and Veronica Nicholson, another crew member of Your Insurance Connection. She answers the phone. She does quotes. I write auto insurance and also life insurance, home, and renters. But we want to thank our Facebook listeners that, go on Facebook and social media and ask questions. So what do you have today, Frank?
We have one life insurance question, and this person wants to know, can they increase, I guess they already have life insurance, but they want to know if they can increase their term life insurance policy.
Can you increase your term life insurance policy? That's a good question. That's a lot of factors within that, depending on your age. Okay, age has a factor on it, because if a person is old enough to do it, what we would do is, I have to think about that one for a moment. So with a term life, and if they've had it for a while, I would add an additional term life. This is what I would do. I don't like canceling a policy if it's already in place. All right, if it's already set up, because it was based on your current health and your current age at that time. So taking your existing term life insurance policy, keeping that in place, and you want an additional term because you need more coverage, because maybe things have changed in your life, and you need additional coverage. In other words, you get married, I brought on a newborn, bought a home, went into business. So what we would do, we would review what you currently have. We won't touch that policy. We'll keep it in place. And what we'll do, we'll get your brand new life insurance policy. For more information, my name is Donald Marquez. I'll come up with the solutions. But again, it depends on your age. So, and your health. 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. I need another life insurance question. I know you got a lot of those over there. Give me another life insurance question. That was good. That was real good, by the way.
Oh, thank you. This one is, let's see, you touched on age. This one says, how can I sell my life insurance policy for cash?
Oh, how can you sell your life insurance policy for cash? I've seen those commercials, and there are companies out there. Good question, by the way. There are companies out there that will purchase your life insurance policy. I don't recommend it. However, depending on the type of policy you have, they will give you a small percentage of the face amount. They will continue paying the policy for you, okay? However, they will become the beneficiary, and they would receive the benefit. So they would cash you out a certain dollar amount. Probably, I'm just gonna guess, no more than 30 to 50% on the dollar, on the face amount. But there's a lot of circumstances with that, and you have to be extremely careful with that, because if you have a $100,000 life insurance policy, a universal life, they probably prefer the universal life or the whole life policies, more universal. And a lot of those policies, what I've seen on the advertising, and I did go online to research that a little bit, the information I see on television, they're looking for policies that are $100,000 and over. So it makes sense. It makes sense to them with $100,000 and over to purchase a policy like that. But they would have to go online or contact one of those companies. Certified, DJ Certified. We're getting a lot of feedback from people from the outside. Can you close the door? Or we hear a lot of feedback. Thank you. So hopefully that answers our Facebook question. And so you can sell your policies to these companies. Now, we don't offer that. We don't have any information on how to sell a policy back to a company because they will become the beneficiary and receive all the benefits. They will cash you out a certain dollar amount, probably no more than 30 to 40% of the face amount of the policy. Any other questions, Frank?
This one is actually an auto insurance question, and how they stated it is they want to know. Well, I guess they want to know if Nevada is a fault car accident state. What exactly?
Okay. So let me clean that up a little bit. Yeah. What they want to know is Nevada's a no fault.
Right.
No fault.
No fault.
No, it's not. A no fault means is when you're in a car accident, you go to your insurance company and file a claim, and they go to their insurance company and file a claim. In other words, if somebody hits your car, you can't go to their insurance company and file a claim. That's a no-fault state. They tried that years ago in the state of Nevada, but there was outruled, and everybody wanted to... because when you file a claim on your policy, and it's not your fault, that's a claim on your policy. You may have to pay a deductible. So that was ruled out. This is not a no-fault state. So when you're in a car accident, you don't know what to do, give us a call at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. Veronica's standing by. She's going to get your name and number. We're going to call you back after the show with all this helpful information. This is why I want to be your insurance agent. I want to be your insurance agent to help guide you through if you do have a car accident. What to do next? Should I file a claim on my policy? Should I contact my insurance carrier right away? Or if your agent is not available, your insurance agent is not available, you can call us at 702-236-2624. We will guide you through the steps. Whether you're my customer or not, we'll extend that service for you, and there is no fee. No fee for that. Now, if you need some insurance, and we can help you with your insurance, this is what we do. This is why we're on the air. So we can help you with your insurance to get you better insured with better coverages and a lower cost, if we can get a lower cost for you. But in Southern Nevada, we have some of the highest car insurance rates. I get that. But, we live in that environment where the bars stay open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And that causes our rates to go up. A lot of DUIs out there. A lot of car accidents out there. Every time I come to the studio, on my way to my office, there is a car accident on the 95 or the 15, whether you're going north or south, there's car accidents. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. I want to thank the people that came in and purchased home, auto, and life insurance from me. Thank you so much. Thank you for the continued support. I do appreciate your business. But you know what? I need to step out for like a couple of minutes. I'm going to come right back. I'm going to let the Don Father take over the show because he's going to explain a little life insurance to you. This is the Don Father.
And, my patron, I'm down on my cares that stepped out for a moment. I'm just here to talk to you about the life insurance section of this program. All the good fellas have life insurance. You know, they don't understand the importance of taking care of their families. You know, the guys out there doing what they do. That said, someday you're here. You might be gone today. You never know about these things. They just happen. But the good fellas know that they need to take care of their families by way of getting life insurance. And it's good enough for the good fellas. It's good enough for you, too. I'm the Don Father. If you were wondering, I just got out, and Donald Marquez asked me to come in and help you understand the importance of life insurance, because in our business, the good fellas, they all have life insurance. I'm from Vegas, West Side, raised in Vegas on the West Side, and now I reside in Henderson. But that said, I want everybody in the Valley to get some life insurance for themselves and their families. That's a Donald Doe, by the way, and I'm going to take that from him. I'm the Don Father. He's located right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the U.S. Bank building. He would be in a bank. It's off limits. We made an agreement. The bank is off limits. However, we want you to go see Donald Marquez, great insurance agent. I have my insurance through Donald, and you should get your insurance through Donald too. I'm the Don Father. That said, don't ever go out without life insurance, because you never know what happened. You never know about these things. So get you some life insurance, and don't ever forget that. That said, I'm going to get the mic back to Donald, and by all means, don't forget about it. Don't forget about it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. I'm the Don Father.
All right. Thank you, Don Father. Thank you, Don Father, for that little life insurance presentation. Now, if it's good enough for the Don Father and the good fellas, get yourself some life insurance, because it's so important to protect your family. Not only the Don Father and the good fellas protect themselves, you can protect yourself too. Now, with a life insurance policy, you can build cash value. You can build cash value in your life insurance policy. Money that if you need to borrow against, you could borrow against. Sometimes emergencies come up. I need $3,000. Where am I going to get it from? You can get it from your whole life insurance policy, your universal life insurance policy. We offer life insurance policies that it's going to be with you for the rest of your life. We offer life insurance policies on a whole life and a universal life that you will not outlive, and the premiums won't change. Give us a call, 702-236-2624. That's a Donald Do. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. A life insurance policy that builds guaranteed cash value. All right, when you look at a life insurance policy, there is a table of guaranteed values on your life insurance. This is the heart of the life insurance policy. All right. Now, it has a guaranteed side and also a non-guaranteed side on your life insurance policy. Now, if you're experiencing your life insurance going up for whatever reason, the premiums are going up, this is why it's so important to have a life insurance review. So we can stop that escalating cost of life insurance on this renewal. Because as you get older, that policy is going to get more expenses where you cannot afford it. 702-236-2624. Call me today. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. 702-236-2624. We also have reduced paid up insurance on a universal life insurance policy. We're talking about universal life right now. And also term. Now, term doesn't have this. You cannot borrow money from a term insurance policy. Okay, you cannot borrow money. You can convert a term life insurance policy to whole life. Okay, you can do that, or universal life. We could do that for you. We can help you through the steps. 702-236-2624. I give my phone number out a lot because people still call the station and ask for my phone number. They say, well, is that guy's phone number on the radio talking about insurance? 702-236-2624. Okay, so with the reduced paid up insurance means if you cannot afford to pay for the insurance, if you have the policy for the last 5 years and you can't afford it because to pay the premiums, you can contact your insurance company and see if you have this feature, reduced paid up insurance. The policy would pay for itself for a certain period. Now this is a small patch that'll help you pay your life insurance policy for a short period of time. It's not a permanent solution. It's not going to pay for itself. Now, some policies will pay for itself years and years, maybe 2 or 3 years down the road, but you don't want to use that because you are borrowing against the life insurance policy when you do that. If you don't pay it back, it will be minus from the death benefit. Okay? This is why it's so important to have an insurance review. So let's say if you have some money that you need in your life insurance. What if you need to borrow some money? Like I said earlier, the holidays are coming up. A life insurance policy can be a living benefit. However, I did receive a phone call a while back. A lady had a policy for 6 months and wanted to know if she can borrow money against the policy after 6 months. To build cash value, it does take some years. Okay, you can't get a life insurance policy right away and now can I borrow some money? No, it doesn't work that way. Your cash value builds up over time. You have to put money into it every single month. It builds over time, 5 to 6 years. It usually can see a pretty decent build up. But I don't recommend really borrowing money. That's only in the case of an emergency. If you do borrow money because you need the money, and I get that, a lot of times they will want to at least keep $1,000 of your cash value in the cash value. In other words, if you wanted to borrow that $3,000, and some insurance companies will say, okay, to keep the policy active, you want to borrow $3,000, but we're only going to give you $2,000 because we need to keep at least $1,000 of cash value in the policy to keep the policy active. Because I don't want to get too technical, because the cost of insurance does go up. Doesn't mean your premium goes up, but the cost of insurance goes up. This is why you have the cash value, the reduced paid up, you have a face amount, you have your monthly premium. And once again, if your monthly premium is going up on your life insurance policy, this is why you need an insurance review. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. We'll ask you the questions. We'll ask questions. Of course, we need all your information. Some of these life insurance policies that I offer on a whole life policy. Let's talk about the whole life real quick. A lot of you purchase whole life by way of mail, which I do not ever recommend, because there is a 2-year wait on a whole life product when you purchase your policy by way of mail. So you get this flyer in the mail, it looks really good. It's like, I'm gonna fill this out and send it in. Oh, I need some life insurance. But what happens is, for the first 2 years, you're not insured. You're making your premium payments, but you're not insured. A lot of you qualify for final expense. That means day one insurance through my companies that I offer. You'll have insurance day one. If you've been turned down for life insurance, contact me. Again, it's 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. We can get your whole life insurance benefit up to $35,000 with no health examination. No health examination. One easy page application to fill out. There's only 9 health questions. We can make it happen day one. And also we have accidental benefits attached to the whole life product. I am not a believer in offering accidental only. If you have an accidental only life insurance policy, you really need some real life insurance, because accidental only insurance does not cover you for natural causes. Or don't think, I'm going to get in a car accident, this will pay. Who wants to die by way of a car accident? No. You needed some real life insurance, because the car has its own insurance. Okay, the car has its own insurance. So with that accidental only life insurance policy, it may be excluded because the car has its own insurance. And other cars that hit you have insurance too. Well, they should have insurance, unless you're riding dirty. You're not riding dirty, are you, Frank?
Oh, no.
Okay. Well, Frank's not riding dirty. I'm not riding dirty, so you shouldn't ride dirty either. That means you have no auto insurance. However, having fun with this all the time. Most people qualify, and again, if you have diabetes, dialysis, you're on dialysis, you have cancer, heart disease, COPD. If you smoke, you know what I'm talking about. If you smoke cannabis, we can get you a life insurance policy. 9 health questions. We're going to review your pharmaceuticals that you take on a daily basis. We're going to look at your pharmaceuticals for the last 2 years, and that's how we qualify you. 702-236-2624. Call me today, 702-236-2624. I want to thank the Don Father for coming in and just saying what he had to say. He just got out. We never know when he's going to come back to the show, but we're going to invite the Don Father again to the show so people can fully understand the importance of having life insurance. Again, he has it on the Goodfellas and himself, and you get it on yourself too. Stop kicking the can. Now is the time to act. A lot of things going on in this world we're living in. We never know what may happen here today and gone today. But I want you to be around for a long time, a long, long time. Get yourself some life insurance. Get your house in order. Do not put this responsibility on someone else. This is your responsibility to take care of your own life insurance. My name is Donald Marquez. This is Your Insurance Connection. We're going to do this again Tuesday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock right here at Power 88. Have a great and safe weekend. Until then, thank you for listening. Until then, just keep it crispy.